have a very generous aft cabin. The boat is wide. Compared to the 50-footer, it's 108 meters wider at the transom, and that's a lot. So no wonder it's a lot of space in this boat. You get a wide berth, you get a comfortable cabin, you get 2 seats, one on each side, and one work table or makeup table on the starboard side. You can also have a built-in flush-mounted TV in the front of the bed, 37-inch. We have extra light here. You have 2 opening deck hatches, one at the top level, and you have a wrap-over window that goes into the deck, and there is actually a skylight in the aft deck, creating extra light into the boat and ventilation possibilities. And you also have a built-in blind. In one way it's blackout, and in another way it's mosquito net. You can combine in whatever you like. On this side you have a generous hanging locker. You have a place for paper charts if you like. And you have an electric locker here with switches. You also have an electric locker here. And a table of contents, so it's easy to find what you're looking for, like that. In the corners of this aft cabin you have built-in outlets for the air condition. The mattresses are sandwich mattresses as a standard. You have 10 centimeters of harder foam and then 2 centimeters of softer foam. And as an option you have fully sprung mattresses, that is 15 centimeters thick, and metal springs inside for extra comfort.